thing is, going upside down wasn't the shark's only issue. Surely it should be able to swim around its own ocean. Stop calling me Shirley. Okay, let's take a look. I think when he gets to a certain point on the screen, he should be able to just reappear, almost like teleport to the other side. Kind of like cheat mode for sharks. So if I go to sensing, there should be... not really. There's a touching mouse pointer, there's touching everything else. No, it must be in motion. So let's take a look. If, down at the bottom, there's an X position there, look at it, yes. Because when the X position goes below a certain point, and we're taking a look at this number here, maybe around 230, 220, or minus 220 should I say, I want it to reappear on the right hand side of the screen. So if its X position is above, or below in this case, minus 230, if the X position is below minus 220, then set the X to not 0, because that will put it right back in the middle. Let's try 220. Positive 220. And we want this to do forever, and we want it to start as soon as the green flag is pressed. So as soon as the green flag is pressed, if at any point that shark is below minus 220, it just changes the X position on the other side. It doesn't change its up and down, it just changes its X position. So it magically teleports from the left hand side of the screen to the right hand side. Yeah, there we go. But what about the other side? Oh, it doesn't go the other way. Well, I can duplicate it, because there is very little to change on this piece of code. If I right click on this one, I should be able to go greater than. So if at any point it's greater than positive 220, then set X to minus 220. Let's try it. Yeah. Whoop. It shouldn't matter what part of the screen I go into, it should always stay the same Y. The magically teleporting shark. Think I've made up for the accent now. Oh yeah.